Back with Hinge and Bracket again. I thought it was time to make good on my promise to feature another item or two from the recording with Stockport Symphony Orchestra, and I'm going to play you two tracks from the tape today, or rather the CD transcription of it. And the first is, excuse me, I can't read it through the phone. It's a duet. They don't make them like that anymore, from Phil the Fluter. Actually, it's interesting this, because of course we had as a Cheery tune some time ago in the early on in the series the song Phil the Fluter's Ball. So is there a connection? Perhaps there is, but I'll have to look it up. It's clearly a musical. The sleeve notes say, a nostalgic solo for Dame Hilda, following in the footsteps of the legendary Evelyn Leigh, who created the part in the original production. They certainly don't make them like this anymore. Actually, I'm not sure it is a duet. I think it's just a song. But I think Dr. Evadne Hinge is playing the piano with the orchestra in it as well. And that runs straight on into Perpetuum mobile by Johann Strauss, which is described as follows: a well-known jeu d'esprit from the pen of Johann Strauss II. The orchestra shine in this virtuoso display of orchestral inventiveness. Well, on the strength of that, let's proceed. Here we go.
Kept his horses at Chantilly back in 1863, or was it 4? When he won the French Grand Prix, he presented it to me. They don't make them like that anymore. When your father, Johnny Marlowe, broke the bank at Monte Carlo, he won $500,000 francs in Ledor, which he used for ducks and drinks on the North Italian lakes. They don't make like that anymore. In those days, men made orchids by the dozen. Today, they make forget-me-nots will do. I remember Cuthbert Senior used to sport a white gardenia in that dark grey morning coat he always wore, with a debonair top hat and a pearl in his cravat. They don't make them like that anymore. Lady Dinah was collecting bonds in China. She got shot at in a yellow
Well, there we are. Stockport Symphony Orchestra recorded, just give you the date again, yes, in Stockport Town Hall on the 21st of December 1986. So that's what I was doing nearly 34 years ago, playing in that concert and in this recording. What a sobering thought. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed it. I think the Stockport Symphony Orchestra sounds very good. I think it's a very creditable recording. Cheery tune tomorrow? Well, that's anyone's guess, but I hope to see you then. Bye for now.